I pet the dog gently. I pet the dog gently. I value my time. I value my time. I attend all my classes. I attend all my classes. Climb the stairs slowly. Climb the stairs slowly. I kick the ball. I kick the ball. I hug my brother tightly. I hug my brother tightly. I write using a pen. I write using a pen. I feed my little pet. I feed my little pet. I light a candle. I light a candle. I avoid too much sugar. I avoid too much sugar. I trust my best friends. I trust my best friends. I eat some popcorns. I eat some popcorns. I see a pretty butterfly. I see a pretty butterfly. I walk to the cafe. I walk to the cafe. I fold my clean clothes. I fold my clean clothes. I draw a house picture. I draw a house picture. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I jump over rope. I jump over rope. I ride horse in the park. I ride horse in the park. I carry a bread basket. I carry a bread basket. I mop the wet floor. I mop the wet floor. I talk on the phone. I talk on the phone. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. I dig in the sand. I dig in the sand. I sleep early at night. I sleep early at night. I crawl on the floor. I crawl on the floor. I paint with bright colors. I paint with bright colors. I share toys with others. I share toys with others. Help, Mama at home. Help, Mama at home. I eat breakfast at 6. I eat breakfast at 6. I put on my uniform. I put on my uniform. I bake a cake in the oven. I bake a cake in the oven. I open my storybook. I open my storybook. I smile at my teacher. I smile at my teacher. I color a rainbow picture. I color a rainbow picture. I clap my hands together. I clap my hands together. I watch cartoons on TV. I watch cartoons on TV. I wave to say goodbye. I wave to say goodbye.